person who is misusing the uniform of Goa police and trying to extort money in the name of uniform, which I will never allow to do.
So, but isn't it surprising that
he is also troubling the local people of that particular village. You check the social media, you'll come to know.
Is it not surprising that you all are from the same government, same
It's not a question of government.
It's
It's not a question of government. It's not a question of same party. It's not a question of anything like that. It's a question of principle, whether you are going to allow such things to continue or not, or you are going to put a stop to this.
Now, is it
A clear message has to go to entire Goa that Goans are very safe, and Goa police I have taken an oath to keep Goans safe, free of corruption, free of all this nonsense what is going on over there.
बाबू
हो मनीस ह्याच पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर ताका सस्पेंड केल्लो, ह्याच पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर तेणे मर्डर केल्लो आनी इतलो तेप कोणूच उलोवंक ना. आयज जेन्ना थिंगासर तो हो जाल्लो आहा, गब्बर सिंग जाल्लो आहा आनी लोकांक त्रास करता, त्या खातीर आयज उलोवचें पडलें म्हाका. ह्या पुलीस स्टेशनार तेणे एक मनशाक मारून हँग केल्लो, मारल्या उपरांत हँग केल्लो. तेजेर केस केल्ली आहा, FIR केल्ले आहा. डेप्युटी कलेक्टर तेन्ना साबाजी शेट्टी आसलो, तेजेर केस आजुनी कोर्टान चालू आहा. ह्या ऑफिसरांक व्हरोन थिंगा पुलीस स्टेशनान दिता, ते जाय तशें करता. तूं म्हाका इतलें सिंपल सांग, लॉकडावनान पार्टी कशी वाजली, रेप पार्टी लॉकडावनान कशी वाजली, कोणें परमिशन दिलें? म्हणजे कितें, पुलिसाचें ब्लेसिंग जो तर ना जाल्यार ती पार्टी चालू आसूंक शकता? हेचेर व्हडलो प्रश्न आहा. 300 ट्युरिस्ट जे थिंगा आहा ते पार्टी बेश्टीच करूंक शकता?
इन्व्हेस्टिगेशनान काय सापडून ना.
इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन जातलेंच, 100% जातलें. वी वील नॉट just allow it to die down. My letter is going to Inspector General of Police today. My letter is going to the State Vigilance Chief, that is Chief Secretary. We will see that justice is given to the people of Perane and Mandre constituency.
बाबूंकल म्हणटाना म्हटल्यार तुमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीतलो PI सारको सिन्सियर, पॉलिटिशियन सिन्सियर.
हांव इतलेंच सांगता, आमचो सिन्सियर आहा म्हणून हायेस्ट नंबर ऑफ ड्रग केसीस are detected and people are arrested in Kalangut constituency. प्रत्येक आमदारान